I was made redundant from my previous job, which was event management. Obviously, hence started looking for a new job. While I was putting my CV out, wanted to do something because I'm a single parent. Saw an advert for cleaning, was taken on board, started working, and then the opportunity came up where I could start managing the area for Cleanhome Thames Valley. And it's just a role that allows me to work from home. It allows me to work around my children. Now that the business is being franchised, it was a great opportunity for me to do something for myself, to better myself. You know, owning my own business is always something that I wanted to do, and now that I have the background and the knowledge for doing it for the past 2 years, it just seemed like the next step to take, really. The thing that excites me about owning my own franchise, it allows me to work from home, which is great because I have a family. It's a simple model. I have a good backup support from the Cleanhome franchise, and I get the best of both worlds because I can run my own business because it's something I've always wanted to do, but I also have my family life and time with my family as well, so I get the best of both worlds. It's got a really good system to it. It's pretty much self-explanatory and the business pretty much sells itself, but also the people behind it you know, are really nice, and they're great trainers. And they're always on hand. You know, they want you to succeed, and they'll do everything in their power to help you along your journey. The Genesis system is a really simple system to use. It pretty much does everything that you want it to do, but obviously things can always be improved, and you know, the trainers always take on board, you know, if there's little tweaks or, you know, things that maybe that we think could improve the system, they do take that on board, and changes are always being made to help us going forward. The Cleanhome franchise is a good model because it's simple, it's flexible. You have a good backup team looking after you. They don't just let you get on with it. You know, you've got constant support. It's easy, and it works.